What's up, my people? It's Saturday morning. This right here is going to be the only look you get today because this is going to be a hand video. Guys, I am not up to par. I got the what's this thing called? I got the bonnet on my head because I am still sick. I thought I was getting better when I made that spaghetti video, but now I got the hard cough that's making my chest and the back of my head hurt. But I wanted to get this vegan video out. I am making my version of vegan strawberry waffles. My son, Vegan's World, go shout Michael out. He did this video in his he did his mukbang in his video, and he gave me the recipe, but I lost it. And so he was like, how you gonna do, you turn my sausage off. He was like, how you gonna do it without the recipe? I said, first of all, I know how to make waffles, okay? I make homemade waffles. It's just all about not adding egg, not adding dairy products. I said, so I'm giving y'all my own version without the recipe that he sent to me to do. My own version of strawberry vegan waffles. Then they weren't even strawberry, it was just like regular vegan waffles. But let me give you guys my strawberry vegan waffles and we're gonna get started. Okay guys, we're gonna get started with just some plain old all-purpose flour. That's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use a cup and 1/3. So that's what I'm going in with. And you know, you want it to be even, so I'm mashing it down like that. That's 1 cup, and I'm only making a little bit, and 1/3. Now when my son did his, he use wheat flour, and I do remember the recipe he sent me was all-purpose flour, but that wheat flour is what he chose to do. I'm not doing it that way. So I'm going to add to this tablespoons. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to add to this what? And I probably can't get the top off. Oh, I got some organic coconut oil. I gotta get one of my sons to take off the sauce, so we gonna set this to the side and finish adding everything else. We'll come and do that. I got my baking powder. Oh, this is new. Never been open. And then I do no organic baking powder, your regular old, some regular old baking powder, people. I'm gonna do 2, scrape it off even, teaspoon of baking powder. I got my regular old salt. Again, it's all about just not using dairy products. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of vanilla, because I like vanilla in everything I do. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Look at that. And then I'm gonna get my cameraman to open up my oil for me. This is an organic coconut oil. I need 2 tablespoons of this, so we gotta get it open. All right. Okay, guys. So my son got the top off. I'm doing 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and this coconut oil was solid, and I just ran a little bit of hot water on it so that it can melt. You can do the same. Okay, now to this. Remember, this is a non-dairy. You can use almond milk or soy milk. I'm going in with soy milk. And you know the devil, I bought everything, so it's gonna be in the description below. I couldn't find my, hey, I'm just keeping it. I couldn't find my whisk, so I'm using my wooden spoon just to get it nice and mixed, guys. And you know, as you can tell, I need a little bit more milk. This is probably about a cup of soy milk, almond milk, whatever you choose. I got the soy milk. So like I told my son, I said I could do this. I said I know what non-dairy products are. If you know what non-dairy products are, you know, put together a recipe. This is a vegan strawberry waffles. And I know I can use strawberry because the fruit. And then I got some organic strawberries. You know. So yeah. Gotta find my whisk. I know it's around here somewhere. And don't mind the lumps. They're going to be there. I'm just going to use a little bit more because I like mine a little bit thinner. I'm using my Belgian waffle. But I'm going to use the, show you how I make mine. Because my kids, they love the Belgian waffles. I am not the fan. I am not the fan. I am not a fan of Belgian waffles because they're too thick. But I will make them all day long for whoever want to eat them. My kids love them, so that's what I would do. This is going to be great. I even found some. This is how I want it. This is super good. See that? With the lumps, that's good. Not too thin. A good waffle mix right here. And so what I'm going to do now is that I want strawberries. I got some organic strawberries. I already washed them. And I'm just going to put them in here. I'm going to peel them. It's up to you guys. And yes, it's going to change the color of the waffle, but it's a strawberry waffle, so hey. And I could have just like placed them. Once I put them on the waffle iron, place some strawberries inside. But I want to mix them up because I actually want my mix to get a little red. And remember to save some strawberries for the top because I also got some bananas. And I love fruit, so yeah. We're going to put some fruit up in there. Look at that. And I could have cut the strawberries in half, you know, dice them up, make them a little bit smaller. You know, so I'm just folding them over. No, it's not a whole lot. Girl, you could have got more strawberries in there. My son went outside, now a mosquito came in here. Oh. But it's all good. That's life. That's why some reason I be glad when it get cold. Cause I want the mosquitoes gone, honey. I want them gone. Up out of here. So, my pan is high. I have a non-stick waffle iron, so I don't spray it with anything. I'm just going, oh, the strawberries smell good. And it didn't turn it pink, so that's a good thing. Just the fresh strawberries in here. So, I'm finished with this. Set this to the side. And I don't want a whole lot. Like I said, I don't want a Belgian waffle. So I'll just take the little 1/3 that I used. And I'm just going to put it right in the center of my waffle. A little bit more. And what happens is that it's not going to form a complete waffle. I should have enough mix here just to do about maybe 3 to 4 waffles. Remember, I'm just cooking this for me. I'm going to spread some of my strawberries out. And you don't have to do what I do. Remember, it's your kitchen. Bam. And my thing flipped. And we're going to be ready when this waffle's ready. Be back when this waffle's ready. Okay, guys. Here's my waffle. Ooh, look at that. Oh, and if you like yours a little bit darker, you can do the dark. Hey, this daggone thing is hot. Is that an ugly waffle? I don't know. But guess what? It's my waffle in my house. I ain't wasting it. Now, I don't have any vegan butter, but you can get that balance, smart balance. That's like a vegan butter because I used to buy it, but it wasn't in the budget today, honey. So, we're going to do this. I'm greasing it just because I want to make sure it get a little darker. I like that darkness in my waffle. But we're going to do a couple of more. And then we come back. We're going to plate. I'm going to show you guys my toppings on my 2 beautiful waffles. Yeah, this too. I made the other one. My son got his hands on it, guys. My son got his hands on it. So, he was eating it. I don't like them too big. But if you like yours big, Go for it. That full Belgium size. I ain't into that full size. But here's my Belgian waffle. It's not pretty, but it's edible. Yeah. Guys, this is my other one. The other one. Yes. My vegan strawberries waffle. Look, you know what? That second one is always better. You know, even when you make a pancake, that first one is always disaster. It is so true with waffles, okay? So true. Again, get you some Smart Balance. That is a vegan butter that you could use. I have used it before. It just was not on the menu today. And we got a banana. I'm doing it up like we going to IHOP, boo. We got IHOP what? In the house. SoulfulT, hole in the wall. Honey. Let's put some bananas. I hate these strings to be on these bananas. I like a lot of banana. Again, the fruit is up to you. Okay? Let it fall where it may. The fruit is up to you. Now, I want to top it with some strawberries. Look at that. The fruit is up to you. We always get meal. I can't cut strawberries. Organic strawberries are small. And I got all this stuff from Aldi's. Everything, I'm not gonna lie, everything but the whipped cream, because Aldi's doesn't sell any type of Cool whipped cream. Somebody can call and tell them. They sell regular Cool Whip or something. But that's okay. Is this enough strawberries? Do we need more strawberries? I got this last. Hey, cameraman, don't tell me. Guess what? Because guess who's eating it? I am. And I got some sausages with it. Vegan waffles. Some sausages. And you know, guess what I got? Some vegan. Well, it's regular. You don't have to be a vegan to eat this, but they got, I wanted the almond. But they were out. Can you imagine what whipped cream tastes like? The almond kind. But we got the Lord help me. Okay, here we go. I check it out. This stuff is thick. That's how to work on Michael. It don't come out like regular whipped cream in the regular one. It makes a gigantic mess. But guys, strawberry waffles, bananas, and it's all vegan, and it's fruit, and it's vegan whipped cream, coconut whipped cream. Use this recipe, like this recipe. Like, share, and subscribe. Your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. Until my next video. Don't show me. I'm a hot mess. I am out, Soul Squad. Think it's some powdered sugar on there? Oh, okay.